So, where? Where does it happen? It happens on the internet. Behind the scenes, what's going on is you have acres, like you have buildings that are acres wide, long, full of computers. And these computers, their sole purpose is to keep the network running, to keep the network going. Now, what they're doing is they're verifying all of the transactions on the block, all of that blockchain, all of the information that's on it has to be verified each 10 minutes to show that nothing has been changed, or if it is changed, then everyone has to have that change. So that takes a lot of power, and enough power to run a country. Is how much power it's taking. So, and at this rate, it's only going to take what? More power. And what are we trying to do as a country, as a world? We are trying to have renewable energy. We're trying to find ways that we don't have to burn as much fossil fuel. And if this is going to be the currency of the future, it seems like it's going to be hurting us more than it's going to be helping us. And I don't know if the benefit of, okay, now I can give you this money electronically right now, peer to peer, and not have to wait, if that's worth as many trees that we're going to have to cut down, or to keep the power that we're going to need to sustain for the future. I don't know if that's worth it.